Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to use promo codes in Polybuzz AI. First, open the Polybuzz app on your phone. Now check the box confirming that you are 18 or older, then tap Accept and Continue. Next, select your gender and enter your date of birth, then tap Save and Continue. Now choose your interests such as anime, roleplay characters, romance, fantasy, business characters, and other categories that match your preferences. After selecting your interests, tap Enter Polybuzz. Next, tap the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now tap Login or Sign In. Then tap Continue with Apple. You can also choose Continue with Google if you prefer. Once you are logged in, tap the Settings icon from the top right corner. Now tap Follow Poly and check for any official announcements, rewards, events, or promotional offers that may be available to users. You can also explore the rewards, membership, or promotion sections if they appear in your version of the app. Next, open Google Chrome and search for Polybuzz AI promo codes. You may find websites that list recently shared promo codes and promotional offers. Browse a few trusted websites and compare the codes you find, as some codes may be expired while others may still be active. If you find a valid promo code, return to the Polybuzz app and look for a redeem code, promo code, gift code, or membership section if available. Enter the code exactly as shown and confirm it. If the code is valid, any available rewards, credits, discounts, or promotional benefits will be applied to your account. Now check your account balance, rewards section, or membership status to confirm that the promo code was successfully redeemed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.